My people, let's make some chicken veggie sauce for yam while you listen to this beautiful music. Let's go.
Where we cook intercontinental dishes in a special way. From breakfast to dinner, we've got flavors to explore. Grab your spoon, like and share, and come back for more. Avi World Kitchen, where the taste meets delight. Cooking up a storm from morning till night. From savory to sweet, we bring you the best. Join our food journey, be our special guest. Start your day with pancakes, fluffy and light, or a spicy shakshuka, full of colors so bright. For lunch, how about sushi or a hearty stew? Every dish we make it just for you. Avi World Kitchen, where the taste meets delight. Cooking up a storm from morning